Kubor Baman Kisni, our Lam Shipi, the Nong News.
I hope you know this, that there is a call center, there is a number 1971. Even if you cannot speak now, please call 1971 and you can leave your complaint on that number. There will be a person who will receive your call. Highest number of complaints comes because of power. Number 2 complaint is water. Number 3 complaint is road. So we know all of these things because we check all of this and we are regularly resolving the problems.
Sir, Bangladesh has come to my office every time. And I spoke to him, I assured him we'll give him the community debt protection scheme.
From there again another 3 kilometers to the waterfall is to be done. So we'll just work this out. Let's just see the estimates that are coming in, and maybe 1 or 2 videos can be shown to us on how good this location is.
Banyo iki Kubor Baman Kisni, subscribe ke channel Nong News.